Okay, hopefully you can see this. My microphone kept stopping between 5 and 8 seconds, multiple times. So I shrank it back down to a 720 with no box in the lower right hand corner. So it's time for me. I'm gonna guess. I guess I should do it in the dungeon. It'll be so much easier just doing this in the dungeon. Alright. Now here's what I've been doing. It's a little bit different in the Hero Wars or whatever it's called, the Guild Wars. It's different. It's different in the Tournament of the Elements and all that stuff. But it's basically the same thing. And this actually works easier. I crush people way higher than me, especially in Guild Wars, because this works better there. Alright, let's just say I'm going to put my regular lineup in. Here's my best lineup. 469,935 power. Now, I don't want to keep saying it's a secret because it's not. It's a trick. Well, it's just me running it this way. You always do those two because you can't do him until they stop. You can't do Nova until they stop. You know what? Now that I think about it, I have to do this elsewhere because I needed to start at 0, 0, 0, all of them with 0 mana like I had it before, just so I could show you what I'm doing. Okay, I'm really sorry that this is getting messed up, guys. Alright, let's do this. Alright, I need to defeat 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so there's 7. Here's the highest guy left. Alright, here, I think they all start at 0 here when you start to battle. So this is what I do in Guild Wars because it always starts at 0 there also. All the mana is 0. Okay, so here's the little technique that I use that I just happen to do from fighting. Alright, I will always do this first, hit that, and then when it gets close here, now it's going to be close. Sigurd's going to turn it off. Turn it off, let them hit them with immune buttons. As soon as he goes to hit, I could do all this, I could do her, or I could do all of them at the same time, hit auto, and they'll all do this. Boom, boom, boom. Now, I did it a little bit late because I was trying to show you, so I didn't throw her quick enough, and then they killed him. But if you do that and you practice at that, you hit auto, then you hit speed up until it gets close, then you stop speed up, then it goes slow, and then you hit auto after Sigurd's already smashing them and he's got the shield. It takes away so much energy from them. I don't know if you noticed it, and if you want to re-watch that, what happens is you will be attacking them with Sigurd while he has the shield up, and every time, like say the Aranji, he'll be shooting fire at him. They'll be throwing, all these guys are throwing stuff at him, and it's immune, and you get such a big advantage. By the time he starts to take a swing, that's when you hit Nova, because then Nova will throw her little fireball thing, whatever it is, that white fireball thing, and then it stuns 3, 4, all 5. It stuns many people over here. Depends on which way they come attack you, but there's other ways you could get them. If they line up all crooked, that's when you take Hyperion and you hit him for his power, and he has that sweeping ice hook thing that comes up and goes like this, depending on where they are. So if they want to come all staggered like, so you can't use Nova effectively. You hit them with Hyperion's curved ice thing, and it slices them really good. At least 3 of them get wrecked pretty bad when they do that. I guess I'll have to view the defense round. This is pretty much the end of the video. Maybe I should just record my games until I find one that's actually perfect. I'm sitting here rooting against myself. I forget on defense they switch it to the other side. I should win this, but you never know. Nope, I lost. 49. But that's okay, because watch. These other 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I hit raid, I mean, I'm going to win this no matter what. I go on to stage 7. But it's great because I always get I think it's 1,750 of oh my God, I'm gonna snap, of these things here. So I love just putting these guys up and just keep moving them up. Anyway, so I get 1,750 of these when I'm done, so I'll have 2,690. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this. If you do that thing where you start off with Ottawan, then hit the speed thing, whatever it's called, you speed up the tempo, and as soon as the instant Sigurd turns into the defense mode with the shield, stop the auto and wait for him to swing, and as soon as he swings, press Nova and it wipes out all those guys. It gives you, I'm telling you, I beat a guy that was over I don't know if he was 120, 125, 130,000 point. I was at 39 or something, 390, and he was at 580 some thousand. And not only did I crush him using this technique that I discovered just through playing, not only did I crush him, but I had 3 or 4 Titans still standing while he died. That's how bad I crushed him. And he was almost 200,000 points higher than me. I mean, sometimes I beat guys in the 600,000s. I almost beat a guy in the 700,000s once too, but I just couldn't get past this one guy. And he kept throwing those heat tornado things. He was a fire guy, a fire element. So, and every time I would just about be ready to beat him, he would throw one of those things and kill my last 2 guys. I was ahead of him 2-1 a couple times. I never was able to beat him though. Anyways, that's enough yapping. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. At least this one's a little bit better than the other one. I just got to upload it. All right, guys. As always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for the likes and all those things that you give me. So thank you.